After that you have to record and report your readings on the reporting chart. And next is height, and height is measured by using a stadiometer. So you don't need to clean the stadiometer because it is painted on the wall. Okay. uh, Firstly you have to tell the child to stand straight in front of the stadiometer. For example, this is wall. Okay. And the child is standing here. Okay. These are the measurements done on the wall. You have to tell the child to stand straight in front of the wall without bending his or her knees. Okay. And after that tell the child to keep the heels together like this, and legs are straight, fully straight, not any bent in the knees. Okay. Tell the child to keep the heels together and stand straight in front of the wall. And then you have to put your hand on the head of the children, and you can note the readings on the wall, and you can use a scale instead of your hand to measure the accurate reading. Okay. After measuring the height, you have to write it on your recording and reporting chart. And the next one is chest circumference. Firstly I will tell you normal chest circumference is 31 to 33 centimeter. Okay. Measuring tape is used to measure chest circumference. So firstly you have to clean the measuring tape by using cotton swabs. Okay. Firstly clean the measuring tape, and the centimeter side of the measuring tape should be above. So you have to read the readings accurately. And suppose this is baby. Okay. And this is the chest of the baby. So you have to put the measuring tape on the level of the nipples, and please hold it slightly, not too tightly and not too loose, so reading is accurate. Hold it accurately and note the reading, and record and report it on your reporting chart. So next is head circumference. So normal head circumference is 33 to 35 centimeter. In this you have to clean the measuring tape and do all the steps that are necessary before doing any procedure. So let's get started with our main point. You have to place the measuring tape above ears and eyebrow line. For example, please don't mind, my drawing is not so good. For example, these are the eyebrows of the baby and these are the ears. You have to place the measuring tape above the ear and eyebrow line. You have to place it here. And please note that back side of the head is also registered with this area or position, and you have to hold the measuring tape like this, and that centimeter side is in front of you. So you should record the reading accurately and place it like this. And after that you have to record the reading on your reporting chart. And next is mid-arm circumference, and normal mid-arm circumference is 11 centimeter. Okay. and you have to clean the measuring tape and for all the necessary steps. Okay, let's start with main step. Place the measuring tape 4 fingers below the acromion process. As you know, this is the shoulder of the baby, and this is known as acromion process, and 4 fingers below this process. This means acromion process and 4 fingers below this. You have to measure like this by placing your four fingers from shoulder, and these will come here, and here you have to place the measuring tape, and it is the stator form, its name, such as mid arm. In the mid of the arm you have to place the measuring tape, and normal reading of this is 11 centimeter, and you can write the reading whatever you have got. So after this you have to record and report your readings on the reporting chart. And the main step after the procedure is complete, you have to put your recording and reporting chart in your article tray, and replace all the articles in the tray, and tell the examiner that you next step is to replacing the articles, and giving the baby back to their parents, and like this. So guys, I hope that you have understand easily about anthropometric assessment. If you have any doubt, you can comment below. I will definitely comment back you. And please, I mention again, you comment below the topics that you want to be presented by me. I will be there guys with your suggested topics. So please subscribe my channel and like the video if you like it. I will be there guys with another nursing related videos. Especially you can mention the procedure that you want to be described by me. Okay guys, have a nice day ahead.